Next part is, this is 3 y raised to power 8 minus 4 y raised to power 6 plus 5 y raised to power 4. We have to divide by. Now we have to take 5 raised to power 4 from this. Now if we are taking 5 y raised to power 4 from these equation, what it means, if I am taking uh, y raised to power 4 from this value, so it means I am dividing this expression by 4. So what it will become? It will remain 8 minus 4, so it will become 3 y raised to power 4. So if we are taking 3 y raised to power 4 from each expression, it will become 3 y raised to power 4 minus 4, that is y raised to power 6 divided by y raised to power 4. It will become 4 y raised to power 6 minus 4, it will become 4y square, and this will become 5, and we have to divide this expression by y raised to power 4, so it will get cancelled out and the answer will be 3y raised to power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. Okay, now the next part is, this third part. We have 8 x cube y square z square plus we have x square y cube z square, x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube. We have to divide this expression by 4 x square y square z square. Divide by 4 x square y square z square. Now we have to take 4 x square y square z square from this term. Now 8, it is also it can be written as 2 into 4, so we need not to take 4. So this 8, this is x into x into x into y into y into z into z. Clear? This is x into x into y into y into y, and this is z into z, plus this is x into x into y into y into z into z into z. So this is the expression. What we have to take? We have to take 4 is also already here. So we have to take x square y square. So we have taken x square y square z square. X square y square z square. So what is left? X from this expression. Now x square y square z square plus y from this expression. Now x square y square z square, z from this expression. Now we have to divide, this was 8, so this 8 was written as 2 into 4. Clear? Now we have to divide this expression by 4 x square y square z square. So 4 was cancelled, this x square y square plus z cancelled, and what we left? This is 2 into x plus y plus z. So this is the answer. Now next part is fourth part. This is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. We have to divide this expression by 2x. Clear? Now we have to take 2x common from this. Now here it is 1. So this 1 can be written as 2 into 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 1. Okay. So this is 2x can be taken out from this expression. Now this term. this 3x can be written as 2 into 3x upon 2 in order to take 2x common. Okay. So now it is 1 into x upon, sorry, it is 2. So we have modified this expression. Okay. 1x cube can be written as, clear? This was 2 into x. Now this was 2 into 3x. So this was our expression. Now we will take 2x outside. What we are left with? This is x square upon 2. Here it is x and here it is. We have taken this common. So we are left with 3 by 2. So we have to divide this expression by 2x. This will get cancelled and the remaining expression will be x square plus 2 plus x plus 3x 3 by 2. So this is our answer. Now the last part of this question is we have fifth part. This is p cube q raised power 6 minus p raised power 6 q cube, and we have to divide by p cube. So I have to take p cube q cube from this. Now this and this q cube can be written as, clear? Now I have explained you this, when the bases are same, the powers will get added up. So it is same as this q cube into q raised power 3 is same as q raised power 6. So we have just modified. Now this is p raised power 6 can be written as p raised power 3 into p raised power 3 into q raised power 3. Now we are taking p cube and q cube from this. So p cube and q cube we have taken outside. So what we are left with, this is q cube here and this is p raised power 3 or p cube here. So we have to divide this expression by p raised power 3 q raised to power 3. So it is cancelled out and the answer is q raised power 3 minus p raised power 3. So with this part, this question is completed. We will discuss the next question. So where we have to divide using the continued division or divide a polynomial by the factors or by using the identities. We'll be doing it in our next video. Thank you.